Welcome to UC Davis School of Law, one of the world's leading law schools. Known for its outstanding reputation, accessible faculty, and uniquely supportive community. The law school is housed inside Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Hall, where you'll find a friendly, diverse, and collaborative student body.
Okay, so that's like how you get appellate review from the Supreme Court.
Where students help each other succeed.
We're paired up with an upperclassman, and they're there and available for any question that we might have, and they can pass along their study materials and outlines.
More so than any other community I've ever been in, I feel just at home and really nurtured and cared for, not only by my peers, but also by the professors.
Faculty know students, students know faculty, and students get along with other students. The rigor is combined with a true community experience where students are happy to go to law school.
And let's get down into the details a bit more.
The law school's world-class reputation owes to its world-class faculty.
And the grand jury proceeding is whether it's actually going to be State of New York versus, right?
Our professors are leading scholars in their fields. They are truly committed to teaching.
The court actually avoids the question of whether
the faculty has really prepared us not only in theoretical law, but daily practice of how to apply that law.
It's a special place because there's an open door policy. You can walk in to any professor's classroom or office, and they'll help you in any way that they can.
So your question is, can you search without a warrant?
The King Hall faculty is comprised of exceptional teachers. These are folks who are passionate about what they do, but they're also really accessible to the students.
And this is often a very strong argument for why you don't overrule an earlier case.
Their heart is in the classroom.
this is an exception to hearsay.
The classroom experience is bolstered by our award-winning trial and appellate advocacy programs, legal clinics, and externships, as well as student-run journals like the UC Davis Law Review, giving students hands-on experience.
Not only where you're learning all the substance and the theory of law, but you're learning how you actually use it, which is something that I have been told you don't find at a lot of other law schools.
Supporting our students from their first semester all the way to commencement, when students become graduates.
As young lawyers, you have a moral obligation, a mission, and a mandate to get in trouble, to get involved in helping not just to make our country, but to help make the world, to make this little planet, this little piece of real estate we call Earth, a better place for all humankind. You can do it, and you must do it.
I do solemnly swear. That I will support the Constitution of the United States.
In one of the law school's happiest occasions of the year, recent graduates returned to King Hall to be sworn into the bar.
Thank you and congratulations.
Combining academic excellence with an atmosphere of support and collaboration. This is the King Hall community at UC Davis School of Law.